over top.
Right here we have a golf cart. It's been made out of, you said it's
There's like 10 different quads.
10 different quads. And pretty much Frankenstein, but
Yeah,
let me get a
I've heard that too.
clip of, so everybody can see that it's a golf cart.
Sick. That is freaking sick.
You go ahead and fire it up there for me.
Nice.
Just one more time there.
Nice.
Give it a good rev. Two-stroke golf cart, 70 miles an hour. Yeah. It used to be a club car. It says club car on it. Yeah. That's on the list of coolest things I've seen in a long time. Yeah. That's pretty cool, man.
Smell brings me back to the go-kart track.